Cardamom. It's that fragrant spice adding warmth to your kitchen and a kick to your chai. This little pod is more than just a flavor enhancer. But did you know this little green pod is a powerhouse of health benefits? It's packed with essential oils and nutrients. For centuries, cultures across Asia have used cardamom in traditional medicine. It was a staple in ancient healing practices. Ancient healers recognized its power. They documented its uses in scrolls and manuscripts. They used it to soothe digestive troubles and freshen breath. It was a go-to remedy for many ailments. Today, modern science backs up what these healers knew all along. Research shows it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cardamom isn't just a tasty spice, it can be a powerful ally for your well-being. Add it to your diet for a health boost. In the following sections, we'll unlock the secrets of cardamom. Learn how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Discover how just 2 pods a day for 15 days can make a difference. Experience the benefits firsthand. Get ready to unlock a healthier, happier you. Embrace the magic of cardamom and transform your life. Let's face it, life can be hectic. We rush around juggling work, family, and everything in between. Often, our health takes a back seat. We experience indigestion, coughs, and low energy. Many reach for quick fixes, pills and potions promising instant relief. But what if I told you there's a natural, gentler way? Nature provides powerful remedies, and cardamom is one of them. Instead of masking symptoms, cardamom works with your body to address the root cause. It's about restoring balance and boosting your natural defenses. It's about feeling good from the inside out. Cardamom is packed with beneficial compounds. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This means they fight off damaging free radicals and reduce inflammation in your body. What does this mean for you? Better digestion, for starters. Cardamom can help relieve bloating, gas and nausea. It can also soothe coughs and colds, easing congestion and promoting clear breathing. But that's not all. Cardamom freshens your breath and fights bacteria, promoting oral hygiene. It can even uplift your mood and sharpen your focus. That's right, cardamom can benefit both your body and mind. Section 4. Real people, real results. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the stories of real people who have experienced life-changing benefits. People just like you have experienced the amazing benefits of cardamom, a spice that has been used for centuries. Take Sarah, for example. A busy mum of 2, she struggled with indigestion and constant discomfort. After incorporating just 2 cardamom pods into her daily routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her digestion. "I can finally enjoy my meals without discomfort," she shares with a smile. Then there's John, a retiree who suffered from persistent coughs that disrupted his daily life. He started chewing on cardamom pods daily and found remarkable relief from his symptoms. "My coughs are gone and I can breathe easier," he says, feeling rejuvenated. These are just a few examples of the positive impact cardamom has had on people's lives, transforming their health and well-being. Their personal experiences, along with scientific evidence, demonstrate the incredible power of this humble spice. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Cardamom is a natural remedy that can make a big difference. Section 5. An ounce of prevention. We live in a world obsessed with cures, always seeking the next miracle drug or treatment. But true health lies in prevention, in the small, consistent choices we make every day. Incorporating natural remedies like cardamom into your daily routine is a powerful preventative measure that can make a significant difference. By supporting your body's natural defenses, you're not just addressing symptoms, but building a foundation for lasting well-being and vitality. Start small. Add 2 cardamom pods to your diet daily and gradually make it a habit. You can chew them after meals, enjoying their unique flavor and health benefits. Add them to your tea for a soothing, aromatic experience, or sprinkle them on your food to enhance both taste and nutrition. Embrace the power of nature and unlock the incredible benefits of cardamom, a spice revered for centuries. Your body will thank you for it, rewarding you with better health and a sense of well-being.